Installation of a principal Wi-Fi CcM device. It is the only principal CcM device manufactured with an embedded Wi-Fi and the only one that cannot power secondary CcM devices. In the box, you will find the device serial number, its MAC address, a user guide, and the CcM device. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for the installation. Secure the work area. Turn off the residual current circuit breaker or the main protection, as well as the rest of the thermal magnetic switches in the switchboard where the installation will take place. Check the input current direction. There should only be voltage at the switchboard input. There should be no current in the rest of the switchboard. Make sure that there is no current in the thermal magnetic switch where you will be operating. Unscrew the current output cables in the thermal magnetic switch and screw them to the back part of the CcM device. This device is a single-phase meter. It is self-powered, using the voltage between the neutral and the phase. Once you have inserted and fastened all the cables in the CcM device, plug it in the holes of the thermal magnetic switch where the cables had been and tightly screw the CcM device to the thermal magnetic switch. Make sure that everything is securely fastened. When you enable the current to pass through again and the device becomes self-powered, a new Wi-Fi network will be created automatically. For more information regarding the configuration of a Wi-Fi network and obtaining data readings, please refer to the user guide or to other videos.